Hello and welcome to another episode on the Crypto DeFi Spot. I'm your host, Jasmine. Today, we'll be discussing the topic of cryptocurrency security and wallet management. Before we get started, it is important to remember that we are not financial advisors, and the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. When it comes to cryptocurrency, security is of the utmost importance. Cryptocurrency is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network, which means that there is no central authority to protect your assets. As a result, it's crucial to take steps to secure your cryptocurrency holdings. One of the most important steps in securing your cryptocurrency is to use a secure wallet. A wallet is a digital or physical device that stores your private key, which is used to access your cryptocurrency. There are several types of wallets available, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Software wallets are digital wallets that are stored on your computer or mobile device. These wallets are convenient and easy to use, but they are also vulnerable to hacking and malware attacks. Therefore, it's important to use a reputable software wallet and to keep your computer and mobile device up to date with the latest security patches. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private key offline. These wallets are considered to be the most secure type of wallet, as they are not vulnerable to hacking or malware attacks. However, hardware wallets can be lost or stolen, so it's important to keep them in a safe place. Paper wallets are a type of cold storage, which refers to storing your private key offline. These wallets are created by printing your private key on a piece of paper. They are considered to be the most secure form of storage. They can be lost or damaged if not stored properly. Another important aspect of security is two-factor authentication. This is an additional layer of security that requires a second form of identification, such as a fingerprint or a one-time code sent to your mobile device, in order to access your account. This makes it much more difficult for hackers to access your account, even if they manage to steal your password. It's also important to be aware of phishing scams. These are fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information, such as your private key, by disguising as a reputable entity. To avoid falling victim to a phishing scam, it's important to always verify the authenticity of any website or email that requests your private key or other sensitive information. In addition, it's crucial to store your private key in a safe and secure place. This can be done by encrypting the file containing your private key or by storing it in a password-protected file or a hardware wallet. In conclusion, security is of the utmost importance when it comes to cryptocurrency. It's crucial to use a secure wallet, such as a hardware wallet, and to use two-factor authentication to protect your account. Additionally, it's important to be aware of phishing scams and to store your private key in a safe and secure place. And remember, we are not financial advisors, and this video is for educational and informational purposes only. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.